I want it like this.
One is small.
Is Greg playing on the team?
No?
No.
Alan San's so is that for the tournament that we're trying to host? Wow, they're pretty fast. They're really talking about practice.
Cool. They practiced yesterday.
Sasel, dali laboy ko ulit.
Alfred,
They're gonna support
Jimelek. Mine.
So pay this by him.
That's it in the league.
Just pay.
Oh.
Do they know it's a draft or teams? It's a draft?
For what?
It's a draft tournament.
Aita.
Yeah, it's not a team draft. So you get in there, you get drafted, then the team you get drafted to, that's where you play. That's it.
Let's see.
Are you serious? The Labor Day tournament?
Oh, they're making Alan San's for Labor Day?